Okay, so probably one of the main things you will ask is, where is fill in the blank? For example, where is the coffee shop? Where is the museum? Where is the nearest local restaurant? Where is the church? Where is the coffee shop? So and where are the bathrooms? So when you're somewhere new, you are not too familiar with the area, so you might want to ask where is multiple times. So, où means where. Sont means is or are. So where is and where are. Okay? Now, the only difference between the first one and the second one is this, le est et le sont, okay? Est is when the following word is au singulier. So you're just talking about one thing, such as where is the coffee shop? You're talking about one coffee shop, okay? Or if you're say where is the coffee shop, you would say où est le café, okay? Again, we already went over the déterminants. You can always refresh and look back if you need to. Où sont? Okay, that's when you have multiple things. Où sont les toilettes? Where are the toilets? Okay, where are the toilets? So again, où est, fill in the blank, or où sont, fill in the blank. This means où means where. Okay. Où. Okay. Now, there are two meanings for this word ou. Ou means or in French. So you would say chocolat ou vanille. Okay. Chocolate or vanilla. Okay. Chat ou chien. Dog or cat. But as soon as you have the accent here, you're talking about a place. Like where. Okay. So without the accent means or. With the accent, you're specifically referring to a place. So, how would you ask where the museum is? Where is the museum? Okay, you would say, où est le musée? Où est le musée? Again, I didn't give you the word le beforehand because I just gave you the noun, the word musée, okay, le nom. However, if you were to check in a dictionary or if you practice, you would know that musée is a word au masculin, okay, which means you would use the word un or le.